In this video, I will show you how to create a simulated phishing campaign within Proofpoint Essentials Security Awareness. While logged into Proofpoint Essentials, click on Security Awareness in the left-hand navigation and then select Launch Platform. Now, click on Phishing in the top navigation bar, which will open the Simulated Phishing Campaign Manager. Click the New Campaign button. The first step is to choose the campaign type I wish to run. A drive-by phishing campaign will try to get the user to click on a link in the message body. A data entry phishing campaign will try to get the user to enter their credentials or other information into a fake website. A classic attachment phishing campaign will try to get the user to open a simulated malicious file attachment, such as a doc or HTML file. And finally, an attachment phishing campaign will try to get the user to open newer versions of Word and Excel files, as well as PDFs. For this example, I'm going to select Create Drive-By Campaign. I need to provide the campaign a name, so let's do so. Next, I need to select which phishing templates I want to use in this campaign. Proofpoint provides hundreds of different templates, which are often real-life examples of phishing lures our threat teams have seen. You can see that I can filter the list of templates based on a few options such as language, category, as well as average failure rate. Average failure rate is the rate which users across all Proofpoint Security Awareness customers fall for this campaign. The higher the average failure rate, the more difficult the campaign. Once I've selected a template or templates to include in my campaign, I can choose to send myself a test email so I can see the template live. I can preview the template, I can edit the template, or I can remove it if I've decided I don't want to use it anymore. Next, I need to select the users I want to send that campaign to. For this campaign, my intent is to send it to all employees, so I'm going to type in all targets. Next, I need to choose the teachable moment I wish to use. Teachable moments are displayed to the user once they click on a link or open an attachment. It is a chance to inform the user in a constructive way that they have fallen for a threat simulation. Proofpoint provides dozens of teachable moments to choose from, and you can filter the list based on category and language in order to find the ideal teachable moment to use. You can also click on the teachable moment for a larger preview. Next, I need to specify how long I want to collect information for. The default is 7 days, but I can also choose to collect data forever or enter a time frame by selecting a calendar date range or number of days. To schedule the campaign, I can either choose to target a specific date or time, or alternatively, I can choose to randomly schedule the campaign to run over a number of days and times. This can be helpful to ensure that end users don't inform each other of the campaign, since it is being sent over a long interval of time. Clicking on the Review Schedule button will provide me with a breakdown of email deliveries per day. There are some additional options you can choose to include. For example, you can collect additional information about what plugins they're using. This can be really helpful to do periodically. You can do some basic network checks. You can anonymize the campaign results if you do not want to track individual users and their responses. And finally, you can track email opens. Once my campaign has been created, I can continue to make changes to it if necessary while it's in a pending state. But once it's been activated, I can no longer make any changes. When the campaign is complete, I can access it through the campaign history table. Here I can see overall campaign results as well as individual user data and other general insights. You can export campaign results to CSV file or generate a PDF summary as needed. This concludes the demonstration. Thank you very much.